Students, let's start the lecture with question number 10. From the velocity time plot shown in figure, find the distance traveled by the particle during the first 40 seconds. Also find the average velocity during this period. Okay, so the given VT graph looks like this. For V, the unit is meter per second and for time the unit is second. ये हमें क्लियर कट देख के समझ रहा है. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने हमारे थ्योरी लेक्चर में आपको समझाया था दैट VT ग्राफ का स्लोप विल गिव अस एक्सीलरेशन एंड VT ग्राफ का एरिया विल गिव अस डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट डिस्प्लेसमेंट नाउ. एस वेक्टर कैसे मिलेगा सर? एरिया से मिलेगा या स्लोप से? एरिया से. सो मुझे क्या करना होगा? मुझे फ्रॉम 0 सेकेंड्स टू 40 सेकेंड्स का टोटल एरिया कैलकुलेट करना होगा. सो एस वेक्टर विल बी स्टूडेंट्स एरिया ऑफ दिस ग्राफ. मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ आपसे दिस इज A1 एंड दिस इज A2. यस सर. सो एस वेक्टर विल बी A1 प्लस A2. ओके सर, व्हाट इज A1? इट इज एरिया ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल सर. A1, ये A1 है सर, आप समझे कि नहीं? एंड दिस इज A2 सर. सो A1 इज area of the triangle half into base into height. Sir, this is the base 20 into, sir, what is the height? 5. Yes sir. So this will be 50. And sir, what is A2? I think same area आपको मिलेगा half into base into height. So half into base. The base is 20 sir, but this time the height is -5. Yes sir. So this will be -50. मैग्नीट्यूड दोनों का सेम है सर, बट डायरेक्शन कैसा है? अपोजिट है. सो एस वेक्टर विल बी सर +50 -50. टोटल इज 0. सो हाउ मच इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट सर? 0 इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. +50 -50 कैंसल आउट हो गया. आपको ओवरऑल डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना मिला? 0 मिला. बट क्या सर डिस्टेंस भी 0 है? The obvious answer is no. Distance is a scalar quantity. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ मैग्नीट्यूड पे फोकस करना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, डिस्टेंस कैसे मिलेगा? इट इज A1 मैग्नीट्यूड प्लस A2 मैग्नीट्यूड. व्हाट इज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A1 सर? 50 का मैग्नीट्यूड 50 प्लस ऑफ A2 का मैग्नीट्यूड A2 का मॉड्यूलस फिर से 50. सो सर टोटल विल बी 100 मीटर. So distance traveled from 0 to 40 seconds is equals to 100 meter. This is one of the requirements. Requirement number 2 is average velocity sir. Sir, what is average velocity? Total displacement over total time. But recently we found sir that S vector is equals to 0. So 0 divided by total time is 40 seconds should definitely give you 0 meter per second. So 0 meter per second is the average velocity. क्या सर average velocity 0 हो सकता है? हो सकता है, because velocity, average velocity over here is a vector quantity. आपको magnitude and direction दोनों पे फोकस करना है and displacement 0 होने के वजह से जो average velocity है वो भी कितना हो गया सर? 0 हो गया. आप समझे कि नहीं सर? इसमें थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा करते हैं सर. Let's say I am asking you एवरेज स्पीड VAV. वेलोसिटी नहीं है बेटा, वो तो पूछा था ये HC वर्मा सर के बुक में. मैं आपको क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? एवरेज स्पीड. क्या होगा सर एवरेज स्पीड? टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम, जो डेफिनेटली 0 नहीं होगा सर. दिस इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी. सर व्हाट इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस? 100 मीटर डिवाइड बाय सर व्हाट इज द टोटल टाइम? 40 सेकेंड. सो दिस शुड बी सर 2.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो आपको समझा स्टूडेंट्स डिफरेंस? एवरेज स्पीड 2.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, एवरेज वेलोसिटी इज 0. दिस इज सम discussion based upon question number 10. Now we are discussing question number 11 students. Figure 3E6 shows xt graph of a particle. Find the time t such that the average velocity of the particle during the period 0 to t is 0. So the given xt graph is in front of you. Students, for x the unit is meter and for time the unit is second. Okay, we have to find out the time in which average velocity of the particle is 0. Yes sir. Now can I say students, the initial position is 20 meter. आपको एवरेज वेलोसिटी कितना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स? 0 चाहिए. What is the basic formula to calculate average velocity? Yes, it is total displacement divided by total time. Now students, can I say the initial position is 20? Now when the final position will also be 20, so how much will be the total displacement? 20 minus 20. So मुझे using this graph ये पता करना होगा कि कौन से टाइम पे जो पोजीशन है वो फिर से 20 मीटर हो चुका है. In this students, I am doing some approximation. This is initial position 20 meter. Sir, somewhere over here final position will also be the same, that is 20 meter. Okay, now that time students is approximately 12 seconds. So average velocity आपको 0 चाहिए सर, which is nothing but total displacement upon total time. आपको टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना चाहिए सर? 0 चाहिए. सो इनिशियल पोजीशन इज 20 मीटर. आपको फाइनल पोजीशन भी कितना चाहिए? 20 मीटर. कितने टाइम पे पोजीशन 20 मीटर हो रहा है सर? 12 सेकेंड्स. सो द रिक्वायर्ड टाइम इज हाउ मच सर? 12 सेकेंड्स. आप समझे स्टूडेंट्स ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पर? यस. सो द रिक्वायर्ड टाइम इज 12 सेकेंड्स in which the average velocity in this time interval is becoming equals to 0. Correct है? Straightforward question students. Okay. Now students, इसमें एक extra point हम cover कर लेते हैं. Let's say हमसे पूछा है time at which instantaneous velocity is 0. Okay. Now can I say sir, this is position time graph. Now slope of position time graph will give you velocity, and as per my question आपको instantaneous velocity कितना चाहिए सर? 0 चाहिए. मतलब आपको slope of this position time graph कितना चाहिए? 0 चाहिए. अब slope 0 कहाँ पे मिलेगा सर आपको? somewhere over here. yes sir. so आप एक tangent draw कर लीजिए सर. now can I say at this point when I am drawing a tangent, it is parallel to x-axis. That means इसका slope 0 है. Okay, so ये time होगा students approximately 8 seconds. Correct है ना students? So when the time is 8 seconds, instantaneous velocity is becoming 0. लिख देता हूँ students में. Instantaneous velocity is equals to 0 at टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू 8 सेकेंड्स. मेनली आपको ये समझना है स्टूडेंट्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन दैट आई एम डूइंग सम अप्रोक्सीमेशन, बिकॉज मुझे एक्चुअल ये कैलिब्रेशंस तो दिए ही नहीं है ना. 1 सेकेंड, 2 सेकेंड, 3 सेकेंड, 4 सेकेंड. मुझे ये टाइम इंटरवल दिया है 0, 10 सेकेंड्स, 20 सेकेंड्स वैसे. ओके, सो दिस इज द नीड ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. पार्टिकल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ए and travels along the solid curve shown in figure 3e7. Find approximately the position B of the particle such that the average velocity between the positions A and B has the same direction as the instantaneous velocity at B. Okay, so students, we have to find out approximately the position B of the particle, okay, where the average velocity between the positions A and B has the same direction as the instantaneous velocity at B. Okay sir, so this is again some approximation based question. Students, I feel point B will be somewhere over here. check कर लेते हैं. Let me draw a tangent at this point. So this will give me students the direction of instantaneous velocity at B. Okay, now we should also think about the direction of average velocity between these two positions A and B. Okay students, in between A and B, the average velocity will be having this direction. You agree with this? So what happens over here, sir? This is the direction of instantaneous velocity at point B, position B, and this is, sir, the direction of average velocity between these two points A and B, and clear cut दिख रहा है both are having same direction. Okay, so that means for point B the coordinates are 5, yes, comma 3. So जो coordinates है स्टूडेंट्स पॉइंट B के लिए वो है 5 मीटर, 3 मीटर. Okay, so this is question number 12. Okay, question number 13 now. An object having a velocity 4 meter per second is accelerated at the rate of 1.2 meter per second square for 5 seconds. Find the distance traveled during the period of acceleration. Okay, sir. So the velocity is 4 meter per second. That means initial velocity u, sir, 4 meter per second, is accelerated at a rate of A is equals to 1.2 meter per second square for 5 seconds. So time is 5 seconds. Yes, sir. Find the distance traveled during the period of acceleration. So during this period, sir, आपको distance calculate करना है. S is question mark. So this is a straightforward numerical students जिसमें हम लोग kinematical equation number 2 का directly use कर सकते हैं. Yes, that means S is equals to ut plus half at square. Kinematical equation number 2 मैं directly use कर सकता हूँ. So S is the requirement. Okay, sir. Sir, what is U? 4 meter per second. How much is the time? 5 seconds plus half. Sir, A 1.2 meter per second square. Time square, sir. 5 square will give you 25. Okay. So this is students 4 into 5 20 plus 0.6 multiplied by 25. So this will give you 15, right? So total will be 35 meter. So distance traveled is equals to 35 meter. Question number 30. Okay. Now let's discuss question number next. Question number 14. A person traveling at 43.2 km per hour applies the brake, giving a deceleration of 6.0 meter per second square to his scooter. How far will it travel before stopping? Okay, sir. So the initial speed of person traveling on scooter is given to you. So the value of u, the value of initial speed is, sir, 43.2 kilometer per hour. There is a deceleration, that means A is negative 6 meter per second square. Retardation because he is applying brakes. Yes, sir. How far will it travel before coming to rest? The scooter is coming to rest. That means the final velocity v is equals to 0. How far will it travel? How far will it travel? That means the distance covered by the scooter is what you have to find out. So मैं लिख रहा हूँ, sir, S is equals to question mark. Students, as we can observe, in the entire data time is missing. So this is the biggest hint that we have to use. Kinematical equation number 3, v square, yes sir, is equals to u square plus 2as. Correct है? So can I say v square minus u square divided by 2 times of a is equals to s. Okay, so v square, sir, 0 square is 0 minus u square. Sir, u is 43.2 kilometer per hour. So this is 43.2 multiplied by 5 by 18. Yes sir. So now the unit will be meter per second. आप समझे ना स्टूडेंट से कन्वर्जन फैक्टर, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर पर आवर इन टर्म्स ऑफ मीटर पर सेकेंड मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 5 by 18. Yes, so students, that means this will be 2.4 multiplied by 5, that is 12 meter per second. 12 meter per second. So u is 12 meter per second, the whole square, yes sir, divided by 2 times of a is -6. Okay sir, so now this is minus 12 square divided by minus 12, which is nothing but 12 meter. So this is the distance traveled by the scooter before coming to rest. 12 meter is your answer. Okay, this is question number 14.